Good to see you back, guys. Once again, I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript objects. In our previous tutorial, we already learned what is object and how can we create objects. Also, we learned how can we print in our console and our document. But in this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can create object with different methods. So without wasting your time, let's start. In our new method, to create an object, first we need to assign a variable as like a. Then we need to use a keyword which is new object. Here we do not assign any value to this object, but it creates an empty object. And later we can store value whenever we want. And to store value in this object, we need to type object name. Then we need to use dot. And next we need to pass the property name. In our case, first name. Then after colon, we need to pass the value, add 1. Similarly for last name, we need to pass another value, Minch. So let's start the practical and see how we can create it. So as you can see side by side, I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension, and I already created an HTML document named index.html. To create an object, first I'm going to take a variable. So our variable name is var person equal to, then we need to use new keyword, new object. The semicolon to end this line. The benefit of using this method is we can store value later on it. So let's add some property and value to this object. So first I'm going to insert first name. So here we need to type person dot first name equal to, inside the double quotes, add 1. Then semicolon to end this line. Then I'm going to duplicate this line and here I'm going to type last name. Last name Minj. With that, I want to pass another property value. So I'm going to duplicate this line again and here I'm going to type person dot age. Age is a numeric value, so we don't need double quotes. 22. And now I'm going to print this person object in my document. Let me show you. So here I'm going to type console.log inside the round braces or object name person. Then semicolon to end this line. If I save this file, you can see in my console section it print our object age, first name, last name. And if you want to print any of value in your document, yes, you can. For that, as you know, just we need to type document dot write inside the round braces. We need to pass object name person dot last name. If I save this file, as you can see, it's print Minj. So this is the most popular and useful method to create an object. And let me tell you one thing. Also, you can use square braces to access value. Here you can remove dot sign and also you can use square braces. Square braces, and inside the square braces, you need to type this name inside the double quotes. So I copy the name and here inside the double quotes, I'm going to paste it again. So if I save this file, here you can see it's written the same result. So this is it for this tutorial. In our upcoming tutorials, we are going to learn about more. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned.